Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Christina. I do a bunch of different unboxings throughout the month. For those of you coming back, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate all of your support as always. I apologize in advance if I seem a little run down, a little tired, a little pale. I am just getting over being kind of sick for the past week, and no amount of makeup in the world can hide that, I don't feel like. So I do apologize. I am starting to feel a lot better, but it's still there a little bit, and not 100%. But I got this chunk club a couple days ago now, and haven't had a chance to really get into it, so I wanted to get into it and show you guys before I have to send it back. So yeah, that's what I'm here to do. For those of you who watched my last chunk club video that came only a couple weeks ago, it was not a hit. I didn't like anything. I sent it all back, so I went ahead and requested one pretty quickly. I didn't plan to request it this quickly, but Nordstrom was having a, if you approve your trunk by the 12th, then you are entered to win like a $2,500 gift card or something for a trunk club. So I was like, hey, why not? I was gonna do one soon anyway, so I just pushed it up a little bit. And I didn't keep anything last time, so I was like, why not? Let's try it. Let's see if I get anything good. I was very critical on this review. I only kept like 3 of the things that she suggested. I wanted to be a little bit more critical because I wanted to hopefully get some items that I really loved, since I didn't like anything last time. But just like in my last trend send, I asked for some light pink items, and she definitely sent me some light pink items, so hopefully some things work. And yeah, let's just get into the clothes. Yeah, so I'm looking for light pink for a baby shower that I'm posting in a couple weeks in Seattle, and a couple other just fun tops. As you know, if you watched my previous videos, I am working on losing weight, so pants are just kind of out of the question right now, and she definitely held on to that, so I'm glad about that. As always, I've already taken everything out of the plastic because I hate all of that plastic that they send everything in. I get why they do it, but I don't like that noise and everything on my videos. So I've already gotten everything out of the plastic, kind of have everything sitting here next to me, and I'll give you my impressions and then I'll try it on, and yeah, let's just get into this. Okay, first is this light pink cardigan, which I think might be perfect if I like the way it fits, for just kind of, it's definitely more of like a, I wouldn't say it's a casual baby shower, but it's definitely not fancy either. So I think this might be perfect over a cute top and some boots and pants. Yeah, it's kind of a two-toned pink cardigan. The two-tone is on the sleeves, on the back, and on the pockets. Kind of like a chunky knit cardigan. I don't have anything like this, so I think this is really cute. It's lighter weight, but I could tell it would be warm too. Nice big collar. Has pockets, which is always great on a cardigan. Not a super soft material, but not itchy either. So yeah, we'll see how that fits. I think that's really cute. Next is this jacket by Blank NYC. It looks like this. Just like a faux leather jacket. I've heard a lot of things about Blank NYC jackets and that they're really good. I've never had one or tried one myself, but it has some cute details, some cute silver buttons and zippers, as well as zippers on the sleeve. I'm not a really fan of this like color. I'm not sure what color they called it. Is there a tag? Where's the tag? I don't know. There's a tag somewhere that probably tells the color of it, but I just think it's kind of hard to match. Like, I don't have any shoes that would match it, and I'm really not a big fan of like mixing my browns too much. I don't know. We'll see. I'll try it on, see how I like it, and then look in my closet and see what I think. Yeah, there's that. Next is this black cardigan. Oh, it's by Artie Style. If you watch Stitch Fix videos, or if you get Stitch Fix, you'll know that that's a brand that Stitch Fix often sends. I didn't realize that it wasn't just a Stitch Fix brand. Jeez. It wasn't just a Stitch Fix brand. Apparently Nordstrom sends it as well. So yeah, just like this, really thin, because you can see through it. You probably can't see me, but I can see you. Just thin cardigan with like a cold shoulder style. I'm not a huge fan of cold shoulder just because I think it's very trendy. I'm not sure how long it'll last. I have one shirt from my Stitch Fix a couple months ago. That's cold shoulder, but that's about it. So I don't know. We'll try it. We'll see. Sleeves look huge. And if you know me, I do not like big old sleeves. But we'll try it. Open mind, right? Keep an open mind. Next is a dress in that light pink color. Could be perfect. Looks like this. It's by Lush. Definitely that midi style dress. Probably comes like the shins. Really thin. Which I don't know how that'll work in Seattle because it's going to be cold. Cold for me anyway. Hello, I live in Arizona. There's also kind of like that thin material that's not going to hide anything, so I don't know how this will look, but I will try it. Yeah, basic midi, spaghetti strap, and then has a knot detail in the stomach area. So, we shall see. Next is this shiny shirt. It's by Halogen. Looks like this. Basic long sleeve. Really thin, shimmery, thin, silky material. And then it's got this drape in the back with a bar detail. That could be cute. This is definitely more for like a more dressed up baby shower, so I just gotta figure out my vibe that I want. But it's good color, very shimmery. I don't know what shoes I would wear with that. But there's that. We will see. 2 more things? 3 more things? Okay. Next is this big chunky sweater by Caslon. Looks huge. Huge. I don't like big sweaters. But it's like this. Big bright pink. Has a cute tie detail in the back. Looks really shapeless. I don't know how I'll like it on. I'm sweating. But we'll try it. It's got these, like, I don't know if you can tell, this like knitting detail that kind of goes in, so it might be flattering. We'll see. Next is, ooh, this is soft. It's by Gibson. Soft light pink, perfect color, and it's like a cowl neck sweater. Long sleeve, thin, so a good layering piece, and it's got a really nice high-low. So it's obviously like tunic length, which is good. I like tunic length. You can wear it with jeans or leggings, so it's awesome. This might be a possibility. Yeah. And last is another sweater, and it's Cold Shoulder by Sanctuary. Good color. She definitely got the light pink going, so I appreciate that. Looks like this. Looks kind of short and wide, which has kind of been the story of my life in my last couple boxes of clothes. Kind of has that raw hem, and then this cold shoulder detail with the raw hem on the cold shoulder as well. So we'll see. We'll see what we think. But yeah, those are my pieces. I will go ahead and try them on, and then I will be back with my recap. Bye. Hi guys. Alright, just did my try on. Let's go over the clothes. Okay, first, this sweater. So, excuse me, the fit was better than I anticipated it being. It wasn't as like short and wide as I thought it was. I'm just not sold on the cold shoulder. I think if this was just a regular sweater without the cold shoulder, I would like the fit of it a lot, and I probably would keep it. I just don't know how good the cold shoulder looks. I like that it's like a thicker cold shoulder, so I could still wear a regular bra with it. I'm just not sold. Like, I'm just not sold. One, it looks like they just like cut holes in it, which is probably what they did. Like, they took a regular sweater, cut some holes in it, and made it a cold shoulder. But I kind of wish they wouldn't. Like, put it back together. And I'd probably like it more. But you guys let me know what you think. Maybe I'm being too judgmental. Let me know how you think it looks. And yeah, we will see. We'll decide together. Okay, next, this cowl neck sweater. Sorry if my lighting just changed. It's like kind of cloudy outside, and it's windy as shit. So I don't know if it's gonna rain. That'd be nice, but I know I can just tell my lighting just changed, so I apologize. Yeah, cowl neck. It was cute. Nothing really special, I don't think. I feel like I wish it was a little bit thicker because it kind of just like hung there. I don't know. It was cute, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm in love with it or not. So, you guys let me know what you think. Did you guys like it? Did you not like it? Let me know. This sweater. I love the tie detail. I think the tie detail is really cute. It's just huge. Like, the sleeves are huge. The body is huge. I don't know if I could size down. I definitely think it's meant to be that, like, oversized, chunky sweater, which I have told my stylist I don't know how many times that I don't like things that are too oversized because I just don't think they look good on my body size. I feel like they make me look bulkier than I am. So I don't know if sizing down to a medium would help at all. Because I think that's just how it's meant to be, and it just kind of looks like a shapeless sack of potatoes. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Let me know, please. Oh, sorry. Ugh. This shirt. I like the back detail. I think the like drapey back detail is cute. It goes down a little low, obviously, because you'll see in the try-on that you can see my brow. But I don't know. You know, it's way too thin of a material. You know, I have to definitely wear the perfect bra for it, or you'll see my brow, which is annoying. And it's too flashy for a baby shower. I feel like I don't get the shiny material. I have no idea what shoes I would wear with it, and I don't know. It's just not me. I don't think that's me at all. I don't know. Alrighty. Next, this dress. So, this dress, if it was like this much thicker, I think it'd be better than it is. It was cuter than I thought it would be, but I still don't know if it's necessarily flattering on me. What I like about the tie detail is that you can actually make it tighter or looser yourself to try and make it like as flattering on your body as possible. So it's like adjustable in that way, which I do like. I just don't know. I definitely need your help on this one. Because when I first put it on, I was like, oh, it's kind of cute. But then like when I was looking at the like try-on part in the video, I was like, I don't know. So I always appreciate your guys' opinion. So definitely give me your opinion on these. The price really isn't bad. It's a really good color. I think I could dress it up with some like heels or wear it with some like sandals. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, because it's a maybe. Maybe. I love Lush, so you guys let me know. Alright, this jacket. It did fit well. She suggested that I wear this with the dress. I don't know if I would ever do that, because I don't like that together. It does fit well. It feels like a good quality jacket. The only thing is I don't like the color. If it was more of like a brown as opposed to this like kind of mustardy brown, I might like it a little bit more, but I just don't like the color. So it's kind of disappointing because it is a nice jacket. So I don't know. You guys let me know what you think of the fit. I don't even know if, like, I know Trunk Club you can exchange sizes. I don't think you can exchange colors. But I could always ask for it in like another Trunk Club, like my next one. But by the time I get it, like, there'll be no chance in hell of wearing it till like next December, because it will not be cold enough in Arizona. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. This cardigan, I don't like anything about it. I don't like the fit of it. The cold shoulder is ridiculous in my mind, like, for a cardigan. It just doesn't make any sense. And yeah, there's not much more to say about it. I don't like it. And last is this pink cardigan. This was definitely my favorite thing out of the box. It's definitely warm, so I could wear, you know, various things underneath it. I thought it was cute, but I don't know if it makes me look bigger than I am, so you guys definitely let me know what you think. But it's definitely the thing I'm leaning most towards from the box, and I could definitely wear it to the baby shower because it is pink, and I could, you know, wear some boots and some jeans, and it would look nice and put together. So, yeah, you guys let me know what you think about this as well. That's that's my trunk club. I'm not real thrilled with it again. I think it might be time for me to let Stefania go. You know, I haven't had the great, she's my second stylist since I've been with Trunk Club, and I know Nordstrom has a lot of great clothing, so I can't even blame it being like the box. Like, for example, like with my trend sign, I'm always like, you know, that store just might not have clothes that I necessarily love, whereas I know Nordstrom has a wide variety of clothes that I do love. I just feel like my stylist isn't necessarily picking things that are for me and not necessarily listening to my feedback. So especially if I end up sending everything back again, I'm definitely getting a new stylist. I think Trunk Club might make me, because they did write me after sending everything back last time. They're like, is everything okay? Do you know, need any additional assistance? So I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. Should I keep anything? Should I send it all back again? Should I get a new stylist? Should I give her another chance? I don't know. This is like our 4th or 5th trunk with me, so I don't know. But I have a lot of thinking to do, and you know, as always, I appreciate all of your advice and your input. You know, that's why I post these videos, because I like interacting with my YouTube family and getting your input on things, because, you know, you guys see me differently than I see me, and I am my worst critic. So let me know what you think. You know, I do, as like I said, like I always say, I appreciate all of your support, and I appreciate, you know, everything that you guys do when you come and, you know, watch my channels. So that's it for my trunk club for this January month. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe. You know, I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.